Welcome back to my channel. This is Kai from Solo Record. Today I'm going to unbox Brica B-Steady Q. This is a compact gimbal for the handphone. Make your filming more steady and give you a professional looking footage. This gimbal cost me around $39 US. I don't think it's expensive for the smartphone gimbal. Let's take a closer look to everything inside the box. I was greeted by the black envelope with the B-Steady on it. There are a user manual and a warranty card inside the envelope. This is a carrying case for the Brica B-Steady Q. I like the velvet texture on the pouch. There is a cable charging, Type A to the Type C charging cable. Here it is, the B-Steady Q gimbal. As you can see, it is a compact and lightweight. Make it easy to carry around with you. This gimbal has a remote controller. You can detach the controller to be used from the distance. To use the gimbal, you need to place your smartphone in the clamp. After that, you need to turn on the gimbal. The gimbal will automatically balance the phone and keep steady while you're filming. As you can see, the gimbal working perfectly. Turn on the remote to be used. You can change the landscape and portrait using the remote controller. Using this gimbal, you can use the smartphone in landscape mode or portrait mode. Using the smartphone application, you can use to take a shutter or tilt the smartphone. You can extend the gimbal rod to use as a selfie stick. You can also use it to make a closer filming. There is also a tripod so you can put the gimbal. Now it is time to trying to use the Brica B-Steady app. To connect the remote and application, you need to use the Bluetooth. After using the application for a while, I think the application has a problem. Using the application, my filming become unsteady. As you can see, the result becomes so shaky. So I ditched the application and using the smartphone default app. Default camera app result more stable. Is it only me or not? Please leave a comment below. Even without the app, the gimbal itself do a very good job. So I'm using the gimbal without the application. Here the result without using the gimbal and using a gimbal. There a little shake when filming when not using the gimbal. When using the gimbal, the result more steady and smooth. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like, please hit the like button and subscribe.